Today we're showing you a 2013 John Deere 5065E tractor. It is a four-wheel drive tractor with cab, heat, and air. The tractor has just over 500 hours on it. It is a local one-owner trade. The tractor's been stored inside. It's been well cared for. It's primarily used to feed cattle and for haying. It's got the skid steer style connection for your loader bucket connection. 6-foot heavy-duty bucket, grill guard, paint's in really nice shape with the tractor. Front tires are the 9.5/24. We do have a new set of Firestone 9.5/24s coming to fit the tractor. Deluxe Multi-Coupler here for your loader hose connection. Toolbox there on the side. Rear tires do not hardly show any wear at all. A little bit of dirt there on the rim. The rear hydraulic outlet, 540 and 540E PTO. As you can see, the paint's in a really nice shape on the tractor, and again, we do have brand new front tires coming to fit the tractor. Inside the cab, it's nice and clean. It's got the cup holder here to the left, 540 540E PTO selector, four-wheel drive engagement lever here beside the seat. Has tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Left-hand power reverser allows you to change direction without clutching. Here to the right, you've got your loader control, your transmission sticks. You got 3 ranges. On the short lever, larger lever, you've got park and 4 gears, which are all synchronized. 3-point and hydraulic controls here to the right. Also have your PTO engagement on the console there, along with the cup holder. Another cup holder up top. Radio in the roof of the cab, climate controls, sun visor and rear view mirror. On the floor you've got your differential lock, brakes, foot throttle, and clutch pedal. Again, one owner, local trade, very clean tractor. This is prior to all the Tier 4 emissions. We do take trades, also offer trucking and financing. Tractor must also pass a 40-point inspection prior to pickup or delivery. If you have any questions, please contact us.